In this video, pag-usapan po natin yung top 5 strongest index performers of all time. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Alright everyone, for this video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang top 5 strongest index performers natin sa PSEI of all time. Now, I'm gonna be perfectly honest. Before this video, I wasn't entirely sure kung ano yung top 5. I mean, don't get me wrong, I had an idea. Pero hindi ko alam ano yung tamang order nila. And again, to be perfectly honest, I was pleasantly surprised with the results, no? So hopefully, matuwa rin kayo sa video na to and, take this for what it is, just a quick glimpse into a potential future sa mga stocks or sa mga bets natin na bullish tayo right now. So before we start, quick disclaimer lang, no? And ipapaliwanag ko rin yung mga parameters na ginamit ko para hanapin yung mga stocks na pag-uusapan natin today. Number 1, kailangan at least 10 years na silang nakalista sa merkado. That means may ibang mga pangalan like Converge or Monde ay hindi po sila nakasama sa listahan natin simply because of yung time parameter. Okay? Hindi ako nag-discriminate against them or anything, but I figured it's best to only include yung mga names that have been there for quite a while. Diba? Para mas maganda rin yung sample size natin. Next, kailangan nakasama po sila sa index right now. So kahit na mataas po yung performance niyan or napakapangit ng performance or whatever, I don't include it in this list if they're not currently in the index kapag natanggal sila. Now, to be perfectly honest, that shouldn't affect yung list by a lot kasi syempre, kaya nga sila nasa top 5 kasi sila yung best performing and since sila yung best performing, the likelihood na matanggal sila sa index is very slim, no? Next, para makapasok sa listahan na to, okay, hindi ko na tinignan pa ng isa-isa kung may nag-name change ba yan along the way, kung nagkaroon ba yan ng SRO, kung kunwari yung price ba niya biglang nag-fluctuate from here to there or whatever, no? Based lang po to purely sa chart nila na makukuha natin from Instagrams or TradingView. Doon ko po kinuha yung opening price at doon ko rin po kinuha yung highest and lowest point at current price natin for a particular stock. Okay? So, start na po tayo, no? Number 5. Jollibee Foods Corporation. Now, medyo nagulat ako rito kasi para sa akin, akala ko Jollibee would be higher. And yet here we are, siya yung nasa number 5. Now, back in the day, nung 1993, no? Jollibee opened at 6.4. Imagine yon, 6.4 pesos, no? And now, the maximum gains, meaning yung pinakamataas na naabot na price ng Jollibee from yung 6.4 natin na opening price, was 5,031% na gains. And where it is right now, okay, yung current gains natin is at 3,216%. Wow! Can you imagine? Kung noong una pa lang, nakabili tayo ng Jollibee at 6.4. Just imagine, no, gaano kalaki na yung gains niya right now. And can you wonder kung bakit nasasabi ng ibang tao na medyo overpriced na nga yung Jollibee, even at current prices? Yeah? Now, let's move on to number 4. Number 4 is actually PLDT or TEL, no? Now, the opening price for this is 20.87. Now, again, as I said sa disclaimer natin, hindi ko na sinama na anong pumasok si MVP or ganyan. Hindi ko na sinama lahat yon. Basta from opening price lang, up to yung maximum gains niya, yung pinakamataas na naabot ng PLDT. 16,600% gains from yung 20.87 pesos na opening price. Wow! Medyo tindi, no? And this started, yung PLDT, since 1984, no? And then yung current gains niya from where price is right now compared to yung opening price natin way back noong 1984 is at 9,344%. Diba? Parang, wow! Ang sarap, diba? Ang sarap ng feeling. Ang sarap na makita yung potential na pwedeng maabot ng mga bullish bets natin in the future. Number 3. Now dito medyo nagulat ako. I expected this to actually be lower. San Miguel Corporation or SMC. Now the opening price for San Miguel way back in 1984 was 79 cents. 79 cents, grabe. Diba? And imagine over time, diba, parang nahiwalay na sa kanya yung Pure Foods and everything. Marami nang nangyari, no? But from 79 cents, where is it right now? Yung maximum, yung pinakamataas ang naabot ng San Miguel Corporation from its opening price of 79 cents was 24,697% gains. Wow! And then where price is currently, we are at 13,165% na gains from yung 79 cents natin na opening price. Can you imagine? 13,165% from where it currently is? Diba? Umabot pa hanggang almost 25,000%. Wow na wow, diba? Ang tindi. Next, number 2. Dito medyo nagulat din ako. International Container Terminal Services Incorporated or ICT. Napakahaba po ng pangalan, no? ICT na lang tayo. Now, the opening price for ICT was at 86 cents way back in 1992. And then the maximum gains for ICT was 27,379 freaking %. Whoa! Tapos where it is right now, where price is, current gains natin is at 25,196%. Imagine that. From 86 cents, 25,196% where we are now. Ba, ang tindi rin. Imagine yung dedication na kailangan para patakbuhin at yung pamamalakad ng kumpanya, yung disiplina to maintain yung ganitong type of performance, no, year after year after year. Diba? Imagine it's only been about 30 years. Diba? Tas ganun na katindi. Ganun na kalaki yung naging difference niya. And then number 1, non-surprisingly, Ayala Corporation, no? Now, back in 1984, ang opening price po nitong Ayala Corporation was at 1.08. Imagine that. Around piso lang yung opening price po nitong Ayala Corporation, no? Now, over time, yung maximum gains niya, yung pinakamataas na naabot po ng Ayala Corp or ng AC is 103,233 freaking %. Oh, wow, no? Ang tindi, ganong kalaki yung tinaas niya. Tapos, yung current gains ng Ayala Corp from 1.08 to where it is right now is 62,677%. Now, to put that into perspective, yung number 2 natin, yung maximum gains niya ng ICT was around 27,000%. AC, linap niya lang yon, may lagpas pa, may sukli pa. Diba? More than doubled yung production niya. More than doubled yung maximum ng ICT. Diba? Now, just let that number sink in. Let those figures sink in. Imagine kung kunwari meron kayong Ayala Corp, perhaps minana nyo from your parents or your grandparents. Maybe they used to work for Ayala way back in the day, no? Tapos nabigyan sila ng shares for being loyal employees or loyal na workers ng Ayala. So just imagine gaano kalaki na yung linaki nun kapag nahawakan nila from then until now. Okay? Now, before we end this video, I would just like to remind you nung sinabi ko kanina kasi I am sure na may magpo-post na naman sa comments na dapat ganito, dapat na-miss mo yung ganyan o hindi mo nasabi. Ulitin ko lang po, no? Binase ko lang po yung information natin for this video from yung charts nila sa Instagrams and TradingView. Meaning, kinuha ko yung opening price from there, tas I compared it to yung highest point and yung current price. Okay? Hindi ko na po tinignan kung nag-open ba yan sa Manila Exchange, Makati Exchange, what have you. Hindi ko na tinignan kung meron ba yung SRO, stock dips, whatever, kung anumang magic na pwedeng nangyari sa kalagitnaan. Okay? Hindi ko na po inisa-isa yon. Tiningnan ko lang po yung actual na opening price and then took it from there. Period. But if you want to conduct further research to either confirm the data that we discussed in this video or na-curious kayo and you wanted to know more, then by all means, no, tama lang. Go ahead, research, learn more. Okay? Next disclaimer. The data in this video is accurate as of this recording. Pero syempre, pwedeng may magbago po along the way, especially if you're watching this video a few weeks or a few months down the line. But the numbers should more or less still be within the same area. Okay? Syempre, kapag ilang years down the line na, maaaring na-exceed na natin yung maximum value or maaaring malayo na yung current price from where it is as described in this video. So, pasensya na po kapag ganon. But, as of this recording, tama po lahat yan. And then finally, bago po tayo tuluyang masilaw dun sa mga numbers and isipin na lang natin na basta i-hodl na lang natin ang lahat forever, we do need to remind ourselves na kahit papano, nagbabago po ang merkado. Now, people are gonna say na, of course the market doesn't change. Hindi naman nagbabago ang mga tao eh. Ganon pa rin yan. Ganon pa rin dapat yung approach. And they might be right, no? I am not arguing that. I am just simply saying na over time, we do change. A lot of the things na naiisip ng mga mas bata sa akin right now, I am very surprised. I'm very astounded. Ang gagaling. Marami silang mga naiisip na very innovative, very creative. Yung mga tipong in my wildest dreams, hindi ko man lang naisip. People are becoming smarter. People are becoming different. And if people become different, then the market might change along with them. So keep that in mind lang. And I just want to temper your expectations kasi syempre, hindi naman din tama to make long-term decisions based off numbers that we saw in one video. Do your research, know your market, diba? Before you commit your hard-earned money to anything. Alright? So guys, as always, maraming salamat po for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Like, share, and subscribe, no? As always. Good luck and happy trading!